How to add a new page to the Control Center on iOS 18. Have you had the impression that the Control Center never has everything you need? Well, this is the end because on iOS 18 you can add more pages to the Control Center and put everything you need. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, first of all, in order to edit, we have to open the Control Center. Swipe from up to the down in the right corner of the screen. When you have opened the Control Center, you must enter Edit mode. We will do that by tapping on the plus symbol located in the upper left corner. After that, all you have to do is swipe up to open a new blank page. When you are on a new page, find the Add Control option located at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. A list of options will open from which you can choose which options you want to have on the new page of the Control Center. Choose some of them and position the grid you want. You can also add as many pages as you want. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.